All right, today we're diving into something that feels like it's been pulled right out of a sci-fi movie, but it's totally real. We're talking about Neo, a completely new kind of home robot. And this isn't just another gadget that follows a few commands. Now, this explainer is all about how this robot actually learns right alongside you. So, let's get into it.
We all have smart devices, right? But let's be honest, they mostly just do what they're told. They follow their programming. But what if your household helper could actually learn new tricks? And I mean really learn, not just follow some preset routine, but adapt to your home, your way of doing things, your specific needs. Well, that's the promise behind Neo. And believe me, it's a total game changer.
So how does it pull this off? Well, to get it, we've got to look inside its mind. Let's break down the two key parts of its brain that make all of this learning even possible.
Okay, first up, we've got something called Redwood AI. You can basically think of this as Neo's physical intelligence center. It's the part of the brain that's all about doing stuff. It sees the world through its cameras, makes sense of it all, and then figures out the actual mechanics of, physical chores. Putting away the dishes, folding laundry, tidying up a room. Yep, that's all Redwood AI at work.
And then you've got the other half of the brain, a built-in large language model, an LLM. This is the language brain. It's what lets you talk to Neo like you talk to a friend. It gets your requests, it can reason about what you're asking, it can even crack a joke. So you've got this physical brain and this language brain, and they're working together totally in sync.
Right, so with that two-part brain, Neo has a couple of different ways it gets smarter and actually gets your chores done. Let's take a look at how that all works.
So here's how Neo learns. On one hand, you've got what's called default autonomy. Think of these as the basic skills Neo knows right out of the box, simple stuff. But then, on the other hand, you have expert mode. And this is the really cool part. This is for all those complex, unique to your home tasks that Neo doesn't know how to do, at least not yet.
So how does this expert mode actually work? Well, it's way more straightforward than you might think. First, you just schedule a new chore, something Neo has never done before. Then, a real human expert from the company actually guides Neo remotely through the task, in your own home. So Neo performs the action. But here's the kicker. After that single guided session, Neo now knows that skill.
And this is the really crucial part, so listen up. This isn't just someone remote controlling a robot to get a job done once. No way. Every single time a chore gets done in expert mode, it becomes a permanent new skill for Neo. It gets locked into its database, so it's constantly growing, constantly expanding its own abilities based on your needs. It's basically creating a totally personalized skill set just for your home.
Of course, a brain isn't much good without senses to understand the world, right? So let's dive into how Neo actually sees, hears, and interacts with everything around it.
Okay, Neo is just packed with sensors that are constantly feeding information back to its AI. It's got visual intelligence, so it can see and make sense of its surroundings. It's got audio intelligence, so it can hear and interpret sounds and conversations. It even has a memory, so it personalizes your interactions over time. But what's really wild is that it can understand human body language and gestures. Think about that. It means it can learn not just from what you say, but how you say it. It might know when it's a bad time to interrupt, or sense that you're in a hurry just from your posture. That's next level.
And this isn't all just software and code. I mean, Neo is a real physical thing in your home. We're talking 5'6", about 66 pounds, so it's built to operate at a human scale. And check out that carry capacity, 55 pounds. That's a lot. That's more than enough for heavy laundry baskets, groceries, whatever you can think of. It really grounds all this abstract AI stuff in some serious, real-world capability.
So, what does all this add up to? Well, the big picture here isn't just about a fancy new appliance. The goal is for Neo to be more than just a machine. It's designed to actually grow with you.
There's this quote that really says it all. Neo is built for full autonomy. With continued use, Neo learns and unlocks new capabilities. So the idea is simple but powerful. The robot you get on day one is just the starting point. The robot you have a year later, it's going to be way more capable. You're basically investing in a helper that's always evolving.
And look, to be an active part of your household, you need stamina, right? Neo can run for 4 hours straight on a single charge. And get this, when it starts running low on juice, it just finds its charger and plugs itself in, all on its own. So it's pretty much always ready to learn something new or lend a hand.
So, when you boil it all down, Neo isn't just programmed, it's teachable. And that leaves us with one last, really fun question to think about. If your robot could learn literally any chore, any task that's totally specific to your life,
what's the very first thing you teach it?